everybody, welcome back. Johnny here. I've gotten a lot of requests about making a glass etching video using my Dremel rotary tool and flex shaft, so today I'll be etching Alice in Wonderland onto a wine glass. To get started, you'll need some diamond-encrusted drill bits, your Dremel rotary tool and flex shaft, safety glasses, a mask, a bowl of water, and a damp rag. It's very important to make sure that you have a mask and safety glasses, because as you etch on the glass, you'll be releasing dust particles into the air that's made of that glass, so you don't want to get that in your eyes or breathe it in. As you can see here, I'm using some sticky tack in order to help me get the wine glass to sit still while I etch on it. Through trial and error over some time, I realized that I cannot hold a round object in place all on my own. Hence, the discovery of sticky tack, and it has been a lifesaver. So if there's any way that I can save you the time, the headache, I will do so. In order to get started, I took the picture that I wanted to etch, and I actually printed it out and I Scotch taped it on the inside of the wine glass, because spoiler alert, you do not need to freehand draw everything that you do in life. You can trace. It's a good cheat, and it saves me a lot of time and frustration at myself, because I am not a natural-born drawing artist. To get started, I put my Dremel rotary tool on like a medium speed, but I actually realized that was a little too quick for what I wanted to do with the rounded edges, so I did decrease it to a lower speed. I started out using the round ball diamond encrusted drill bit. It almost looks like the Epcot ball at Disney World if you've ever been there. It's a really nice way to get started and build your confidence, and also to understand the way that the glass is working, which I'll get to in a minute. Here, I'm actually switching out the ball for a more concentrated pointy tip of a diamond encrusted drill bit so that I can be more precise in my details of Alice's dress, her face, as well as the letters "Drink Me" on the bottle that she drinks. So as you can see, I'm going a little bit off map here. I'm going to draw some lines in the Drink Me bottle after I put on the letters. And I am always wiping away the particles of the glass dust. It's really important to do that, and I promise that as you do it, it may look like your picture that you've drawn is slowly disappearing, but I promise it's not disappearing and it'll come right back. It's just getting away the rest of the particles with the water, and once it dries, your picture will pop right back up again. So I had mentioned the difference, getting to know the glass and why I used the rounded drill bit in the first place, is that different things that I've worked on in the past, such as old wine bottles I practiced on, or old Coca-Cola bottles or glass vases, glass has its own, unique shape depending on what you're working with. So if, for instance, on this specific wine glass, I had a much easier time etching away from my body instead of towards my body. And it's important when you're getting started with any new object of glass to notice that about the object you're working with. So at this point, I've removed Alice from the inside, and I've started etching in and coloring in the bottle that she drinks from, as well as her white apron. Because when you're working with glass, you don't have a lot of options with color, so you need to create some sort of depth and dynamic according to your own creativity, which is something I love about this process. Now, why Alice in Wonderland? Because, dear likers and subscribers and followers, I've been asked to create this video, and I didn't know what to do. So I went to the local dollar store, hidden gem of glass objects, picked up this wine glass for $1, because as I saw it, I said, I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to make an Alice in Wonderland wine glass for my best friend from high school, because she loves Alice in Wonderland, and we love having a glass of wine together. So thank you, actually, for the inspiration. I hope you like it, and I hope she likes it as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow me at Johnny the Girl on all social media and johnnythegirl.com.